Hello there everybody, and today I'm going to be reviewing an affordable lavalier microphone that you can buy right now for only about $8. I think this microphone is really good for the price, and I would recommend it to people that don't have a lot of money to invest on a microphone. And another reason why this microphone is so good is because it can actually connect to the headphone jack of your smartphone, and so that makes it really easy to use. But if you do have a camera, you can connect it too, but you will have to use the LR44 battery for it. But before we go into the unboxing, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you won't miss another Blue CJ video. A ton of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so I would greatly appreciate it if you do so. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box of the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I actually bought this from Shopee, and it cost me about 399 pesos, or that's about $8 if you convert it. And this was also purchased from the One Gadget store in Shopee, so I'll probably put a link in the description below. So as you see, it says right there that it's a lavalier microphone. It says right here Boya Pro Audio Series, and we're just gonna have a look here at the specs. Alright, so here are the features. You can pause the video if you want, to take a look at these features. Alright, so let's look at the specs here on the lower part of the box. So you can see it says here that this is a condenser microphone, which is also omnidirectional. So that means that it will pick up sound in multiple directions. Here's the frequency range. It also says that the connector is 3.5 millimeters. The accessories included in the box are a lapel clip, the LR44 battery, which you'll use for the camera, foam windscreen, and also an adapter if you want to connect it to a camera. As you can see, the weight of the microphone is 2.5 grams, which is pretty light, but the power module is 18 grams. And the cable is 6 meters long. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. Alright, open that up. As you see, we actually have a carrying case for the microphone, which is pretty nice, And we also got an instruction manual, but we're not gonna read that. So the microphone and the other accessories are actually inside the case, which is pretty good. Alright, so let's open it and see what's inside. Alright, so obviously we've got the microphone, and this is the really long 6-meter cable that you'll either like or hate. We've got the 3.5 millimeter connector that's going to go into a headphone jack, and the power module, which holds the battery. And you have this little switch if you want to use it on your camera. This is what the microphone looks like. As you can see, I have the foam windscreen on it, so let's take that off. And this is what it looks like without the foam windscreen. You also have that lapel clip right there. You can clip it to your clothes. Alright, so this is the adapter. So let's take it off the plastic. Alright, so this is the device that you're going to use if you want to connect your microphone to your camera or other types of devices. But I'll probably never use this since I don't have a DSLR camera. So we just plug it in right there. It's a little bit hard to plug it in. You can see I'm struggling to plug it in. There you go. Alright, let's take that off. As you can see, this is the LR44 battery, which you'll use if you want to connect your microphone to your camera. And that's pretty much everything in the box. So I've actually been using this for more than 4 months now, and so far I don't have much problems with the microphone, apart from the really long 6-meter cable. But for you, that might actually be a good thing. And as I said, the microphone is really easy to use on your smartphone. You just connect it and it works. The sound itself is good, considering that this thing only costs $8. And if you add some effects like an equalizer and compressor in the editing, it will definitely sound better. Another thing to mention is that the audio from this video was actually recorded with this microphone. Now, let's listen to a comparison between the Boya BY-M1 and the Redmi 5, which is my current phone. Alright, so this is the sound that's coming from the Redmi 5, which is my smartphone. And as you can probably hear, There's a lot of background noise, some wind noise from the fan, and overall it's an okay microphone. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. Now let's listen to the Boya BY-M1. And this is what it sounds like on the Boya BY-M1. As you can definitely hear, the audio quality is much better. There's still wind noise and some background noises, but you know, it's definitely a lot less than your standard phone microphone. So I would definitely recommend this to a person that maybe doesn't have much money or doesn't want to invest much on a microphone. So you should definitely get the Boya BY-M1. It costs $8. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, then please leave a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you won't miss another Blue CJ video. I'm trying to grow this new channel, Blue CJ Tech Channel. So stay with my friends. Goodbye.